nag-abala
It's our first day.
Nag-abala sa...
Yes! First day!
This is what we worked hard for.
Direct, no? Iba pa rin pala yung feeling pag pag matagal yung concert. Buti hindi tayo nag-solo con pala before.
Okay.
Direct meet lang.
Exciting, girls.
Bye-bye!
Ako na si stress for all of you. Ako na lang mas stress for all of you. Oh yeah, somebody gave me a pin.
Aww. I want one. Hindi siya na nakalagay. Wala tayo ng mic. Na-inject.
Ang aking sparring partners pag nawawala sa China.
Wala tayo.
I'm a Bloom. I'm a fan. Original Bloom Dad. Bloom Dad. Good morning. Hello. Hello. How are you feeling, Direk? Sungit na, mas masungit na siya sa akin. Hi! You learn from the best. Wala pa dyan. Congrats. Thank you. Thank you. That's it. First day of 3 nights. People are starting to come in. Exciting. We will have a great show, and that's for sure.